What? Wipe it. Aww. There you go. Are you okay? You happy? Okay, let's say hi. Say good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Morning. No? Morning, Daddy.
Morning.
Alis tayo, guys. Yeah. Where's Daddy going? Which one? Good morning, everyone. It is currently 10 o'clock ng umaga. And we are going to Gold Coast today kasi it's my cousin's birthday lunch. And, oh my God. I'm sweating already, guys. It's 30 degrees today. And hindi ko alam kung bakit naka-jeans si mami niyo. Bakit naman kasi nag-jeans talaga, mami? Ang init-init. Oh. Anyways, nakalimutan ko ang aking sunnies. So, I'm gonna go quickly run. Lalagay ko muna yung mga kids sa sasakyan. Para ready na sila. Pahapin lang. This way. Huh? That's Ate seat. This is your seat. Where's the seat? Alam niyo ba, umiyak si Celine kanina kasi gusto niya suotin yung damit ng ate niya. Bumalik ako dito sa loob quickly, guys, kasi nakalimutan ko ang aking sunnies. Pag Gold Coast pa naman kami, we still have like an hour and something drive. So, kailangan ko ite. Napakainit sa labas, guys. Wala na akong time na magbihis. Ay, mag-change sana ako. But anyways, so ang aking, hindi na ako nakapaglagay ng mascara. Si mami niyo ay half done today. So, dinala ko yung mascara ko and ang aking eyelash curler. Kasi pag may time ako pagdating doon, maglagay ako ng madalian lang. But for now, ayan lang ang nakaya ng oras ng mami niyo. So, pakita ko yung outfit quickly. This is my top. Pack. That's my sunnies. And ang aking pants. Ayan. And then, that's my wedges lang. Christian Louboutin. And that's it. Tapos yung aking bag ay nandun na. Yan lang ang ating outfit. Let's go sa go. Still waiting. Hi guys! We are in Gold Coast now. Kaka-park lang namin. So, andito kami sa taas. Kasi yung mami ni Daddy Mike hindi sasama sa amin. So, she hasn't been here before sa Gold Coast. So, maglalakad-lakad siya. So, kami lang yung pupunta ng restaurant. See you, Mom! See you soon! I will. Thank you.
You know where we're gonna go?
See?
You know where we're gonna go?
No. We are just walking along Surfers Paradise Boulevard now. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero alam niyo ba ang pangalan ng shop ay Lami Ay Kaayo. Lami Ay Kaayo Restaurant. So it's obviously Filipino Filipino restaurant and Lami Ay Kaayo. It's so Bisaya, guys. So exciting. I'm very hungry. Tingnan niyo. 3 minutes, honey. Yeah. Hindi ako kumain ng breakfast kasi early lunch ito eh. Show me your outfit to be. Go follow, Daddy. Wow. Mapahandbag si Madam. Si Lini ay nakatulog sa sasakyan, which is good para hindi siya grumpy pagdating sa restaurant. Say happy birthday! Sing happy birthday, Tito Anton! Say happy birthday! Hi, Anton!
How are you? Thank you.
Happy birthday! He's the birthday boy, guys. Say hi to my vlog first.
Hello.
How old are you, Anton?
1 year older.
Oh, 1 year older. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's enough information. So is it here?
Yes, upstairs. Lami Ay Kaayo. It's a Bisaya restaurant.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's very obvious, isn't it? Yeah, because it says here like you've arrived. It's like, oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, there you go. I can see it now. Yeah, let me.
Those are the first ones.
Oh, really?
Oh, we're first, yeah? Because my mom and dad are here. Joanne is here as well, but they went to get a new balloon because it broke. The
Ah,
balloon popped.
yeah. Hello. Hello. Hi, Tito. Hi. How are you? Hi, Tito.
Uy, asang nagparty?
How are you? Dito sa giingon ni Kwan ni. Giingon ni Kwan. Anton.
Hello.
Hi, Nana. Hi. Oh, wow. Ito yun yung another long label. Hi. Hajo. Mwah. Mama.
How are you?
Happy birthday. Ay. How are you?
How are you?
Good. Thank you. Hi. Hello. Say hi, Tito.
How are you? Can I have a hug?
Oh, where are we gonna see? Oh, thanks. This is for you.
Thank you.
Say hi. Hi. Are you 23, Anton?
23.
Only 23. Oh my
He's
God.
about to turn 2. I've lost so we went to get to.
Joe just like call everything.
He's like, please, you're gonna save a life today. He's like, yeah, I've got to see
Oh, come on. I'm gonna
What is it, Malang? Look at this. Meron silang pa ganito, guys. Oh. Anton, are you gonna sing, Anton? Anton, are you going to use the stage? Oh, what?
Hi.
Are you gonna use the stage?
We're gonna karaoke.
Wow, my God, this looks so good. Oh. Oh my God, ito yung may pupik ko. Oh my God. Alams na ang take home. You want a photo? Oh, photo biko. Cassava cake. Oh, this one lang. I think that's the one lang. Okay. Oh, where's that?
Your dress. What? Yeah. The same time. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Okay. Don't cry. Daddy already ordered food for us. Oh my God. What's wrong? What's wrong? Yeah, Ate Paris is there. Oh. Sita John. Hinihintay pa namin yung ibang, guys, family. Hindi pa nakarating. Kala namin kami na yung pinaka-late.
Start the holiday now.
She's never been before. So she's having a look. She's still around. Yeah. She's already. I think she wants to.
watch?
She'll come after.
No, what's wrong?
Where's the
Rice here.
How's this?
Chicken inasal.
Is it?
Yeah, like I was like it's in the south,
Sinigang.
and I was at this like
Nini, what are you doing
local
now?
lady, I believe,
Oh,
she's
we've
like,
got
"No, thanks."
sinuglaw.
And I was like, I'm pretty sure
Bon
it's in the south.
appetit. Oh my
And
God.
she's like, I said maybe it's in the southeast. And she's like, no,
Sarap-sarap
it's
naman
east.
ito.
And then she got a, not that I actually explain, but she's like, she got a compass out.
Kami na lamig. Come here.
Trying to prove it to me, and I was looking, and she was like, see? It's like, must be great.
Tingnan niyo, Selene. Come on, Selene. Come on, let's eat. Ate, come on, let's go eat.
It's a south side.
Happy birthday!
Ngayon lang dumating. Akala namin kami lang late. May late pa pala.
Oh yeah. Hi, Mike.
Kabala ka nini.
You look fun, man.
Yes. Oh, tell me that too. That. Hi, Tito. Who's that? She's like, she's very happy. Have a look at her face. She's smiling. Who's that? Oh, it's very... Hello, Tito.
A few moments later.
Guys, tapos kaming kumain doon. Tingnan niyo ang aking ate Feli. Ay, pupunta kami sa Filipino mini grocery. Tingnan niyo ang pangalan. Sa pangalan sa itong grocery.
Sana Mall.
Sana Mall.
Yeah.
What is it, Baba? What is it? Let's go have a look. We'll see what's inside.
The scariest thing.
Sana Mall. Tatak Pinoy, gawang Pinoy para sa Pinoy. Alam na, Ria Money Transfer, Western Union. Alam ka na nakin. Kami, anak. Anak. Do you wanna come?
She said it's the scariest night.
Oh, come here, anak. Come.
You wanna come?
Sige, come,
But
ate.
don't touch anything, ha?
Only look, ha?
Mama, it's a scariest night.
Yes, we're gonna go. We'll see what's inside. Oh, oh, oh. What snake?
That's scary snake.
Where's the snake?
And the snake.
Snake.
Right there. Over there?
Oh,
Oh, that might be a lizard.
what we can have.
A snake.
What snake? That's got no snake. Eh,
It's a chubby.
pataka ka. Come here. Oh, oh, oh.
Sabay mo pala ito, like.
Bi. Pagkatagsahon ta ni.
My mom was making music. My mom was making music.
Dahil do you have mugu-mugu?
Yeah. Come. My come.
Anak, I'm here already. Do you want one? Go get one.
Yan mo pala ito nga po to. Tapos
Oy, na ako nga na sa balay tay.
mag-steam ka. Nakay kuan butangan. Yan ang
Wala mong kuy nga na ang good kanang hulmahan.
kanang hulmahan. Nakay hulmahan.
Wala akong hulmahan.
Steamer. Nako dagan. Nakay steamer.
And there's snake. I can quickly show you. Snake.
Hang on, we'll have a look here first.
Creamy coffee mix.
There's no snake.
Ay, here na.
I believe.
Asam pa yung day?
Dili ka nang suruy kung nasa karong gabi. Layo itong car park.
Look, look.
Asam man mo ng park?
Dito si Bron.
Ay, oh, this time man. Di man to layo. Doon naman to.
Ha?
Doon naman to. Dito.
Ba to?
Dito naman may nag-park gapon.
Sila ka oras kong dito mag-park.
Ay, ang parking?
Wala limit. Ang $10.
Oh, that's a good question. Tignan nyo, meron sila guys. May ampaw. Yan yung aking cart. Add to cart. Pork, longganisa, turon, and this one, naalala ko to guys. Elementary ako. And hotdog.
Daddy said snake.
Oh, this one. Stick. Oh.
I'll protect you from the snake. I'll protect you from the snake.
Pangalan ni mo sana mo.
Sana mall. Kasi sana all.
Sana mo. Madam, what's your name, madam?
Hi! My name is Girlie.
Oh, Girlie,
And
beautiful.
ako'y may-ari ng Sana All.
Yeah, sana mo kaayong.
Sana mall kaayo. Mamol dyan din, no? Kaya mga Pilipino dyan, Anina.
Yeah,
Anina
guys.
magpalit og mga sita.
Surfers Paradise.
Surfers Paradise.
Yes, sa Gold Coast guys, nandito ang shop ni Madam, o diba, sobrang daming laman. Oh, tingnan niyo, umaapaw.
So just cut it out.
Ang daming, Diyos ko Lord, mabuang gid ko ba sa makita ako mga Pilipino nga mga panoy? Oo. Mag-heart-heart na ng mataw sa makita, Kopi ko Blanca. Agoy, sa...
Ang kape ko blanca. Ang kape.
Yeah.
Mas dami yun yung kape na to.
Sa harap lang to ng guys, pinuntahan namin na restaurant dyan. Na lami ay kaayo. So, sa harap, andito yung shop ni Madam Girlie.
Oo, kaya Anina mo diri
Mag-invite, Madam. Invite mo shop.
Ay, mga ano dyan, kapwa na ka Pilipino. Anina diri kay pamalito. Sana Mall! Sana all kayo shopping!
Sana all shopping Filipino food, di ba?
Ipakita ng crimson coat sa sabi.
Oh. So, mga close up. Sa mga sunsilk. Kung sa inyong gusto. Kung sa ba, name it, na she have it, dili. Ha? So,
Sila pa. O, diba? Ang kanina.
Lord.
Ipakita ng mga...
What's that?
Pinipigita na sila.
Oh, kadaghan kayo ko. Stock si Madam. Oh,
Ang pinipig ni Goldilocks. Lami kayo! Ani na dyan rin tayo. Ani kay Mamalet at GK ang igno. Ayaw kalimtan din ko. Sa niyo? Sa
Ampaw.
ang
Ampaw. Yes, ampaw. Dili malimtan. Elementary.
Kanina nakasurvive sa tuwa. Mga panahong tagutom. Ang ampaw na asa ito. Ang ampaw ang lagi natin sa tabi natin. Kaya nako.
Huwag kalimutan ang ampaw.
Huwag kalimutan dyan. Mao dyan ay lami ang mga nagaraya. Ang lami kayo dyan ang mga nagaraya.
Oh. Gabi guys, hatag na ng piatos, chipi, name it jud.
Sa tanan, ana diri ang mga
Gabi daghan ni kag kuan mga dalay lahi og mga kuan ba, variety jud ba?
no? Nasa mga bulad.
Oh,
Ang bulad.
oh, ang bulad. Oh.
Bulad. Ang pusit. Guys.
Oh, ang coin sa na lang.
Sabutan niya.
Ang atong extra rice.
Sana ng diet group.
No, one night si Madam di kinahanglan yung diet kay siksik kay Madam. Oh, di na kinahanglan.
Ay kalimutan yung mga kuano, mga
Oh, bangus di bangus.
bangus. Lami mo lang para dito ang puan mga
Puno kayo. Dadi ang maturon. Oh.
para mga
Tingnan niyo, Merry Christmas pa kayo lang ni Madam.
1 year and
One?
3 months.
Yeah, I know kay the name the expression na sana mo so
Tama kay
fresh pa.
Ang page.
Ah, page nasa Facebook.
O para makita mo kung saan mga
Mga kalihukan. Yeah.
Para i-share ka pa sa mga nalito sa una mang goals. Ako may nagpausa ni karaoke bago nila nagpa-karaoke sa mga Pinoy. Pag-open din ako ni karaoke ko sa mga Pinoy. Sa una nga di kung ano man ako kaya sila karaoke. Ang kanta sila. Iwan nila yun. Siyempre, gaya na nila. Hinayaan ko na lang sila. Ang kanta na ba restaurant? Kaya nagpakaraoke mga Pinoy. Ang page, bakit ano mo tanan? Sana mo. Oo, okay. Oo, kaya parang makakuha. Kung taga-vlog man ka, parang makuhaan ko ng mga videos. Dagan mga followers din sa community. Nagpa-vlog, na.
There you are.
Kung maggawa ka, pwede mo ako itag sa ano. Para
Oh.
Thank you.
Ah, naman.
O, diba? Sana na ako na sa sana mo.
Lily, hi. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, they're still inside. Wait, what are you doing there? Ay, la. What's happening?
Where are they?
Oh, would you like Lini?
Ganda, take a photo ni nanay. Ate, hindi.
Mom, can I have a knife?
No, hindi doon have a spoon. Ask them. Yes, so Lily can have that one. Okay. Hey, I said it's
Busy na busy. Yan, cake is here. Ah, pronset magalit si Paris, basta cake ka.
Where is the cake?
Pronset ang duha. Okay. Someone's 23. Picture taking muna. Nini, can we sing, Lin?
No, it's not. Let's
Are you gonna sing happy birthday? Okay, Lini gonna sing happy birthday, okay?
It's not littered yet.
Yeah, guys.
Ayan.
Para sa mahirap.
Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
secret. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Tito.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Let's go for the hug. Thank you. Love you guys.
Take care. Yeah, yeah.
Family's house after, and then we'll go to
Dance ba?
No!
Where did the bird go? Come on! Punta muna kami ng beach, guys. Ayan, meron na silang mga frozen yogurt. Ako, hindi ko na kayang kumain yan. So, we're gonna walk there. Punta kami ng beach. Stay kami doon ng very large. Kapag laro yung mga kids sa sand. Look at the beach. Happy na ng ating Ate Paris, oh. Makakapaglaro na. I have to wipe your face lang, otherwise it's gonna stick. Come on, wipe your face first. Yeah, good idea. Celine, ate! Stay here, te! Come on! Celine! Good girl. Let's go. This way, ate. Move here, ate. What's that smell, Daddy? Is that you?
It smells good if it smells the thing.
But I can smell weed.
Huh?
I can smell weed. So weed? Tingnan yung ginawa. Hala. No lang. No throwing your sand lang. Nah, that's a big no-no. It can get to your eye. You'll hurt yourself. Lola Karen and Paris is there, see? Kaya gusto pumunta ni Baby Celine. Lini, stay here. No. Now you stay here. See, you're already wet. You have to find your clothes now. Huh? Where's Daddy? Daddy can take you there. Daddy! Malapit ng mag 8 o'clock guys. Nakauwi kami mga siguro 20 minutes ago. And ngayon ay nagre-ready lang kami ng, we're actually Daddy Mike, nagre-ready ng makakain ng mga kids. Busog pa ako guys. Ito dinala namin from the yung inasal na chicken kanina. Hindi kasi naubos, dinala namin. And ayan pa, yan yung dinner sa mga kids. Ako, umiinom ako ng lipa na coconut water. Ha? From where? Yeah, you can use it now. Make sure you put it back in nyo ang ating bibis na lasing. Lalagay yung sinday. Ang gamit niya, my lord, binili namin sa souvenir shop doon sa Gold Coast kasi basang-basa sila sa dagat. My God. Yung pinsan ko guys kanina ay after ng lunch pupunta pa sana sa place nila kasi showing everyone his new place. Hindi na kami nakaano kasi nag-meet up na kami balik ng Mamanda Imay kaya pupunta kami ng beach and also wala nang time. And then, yeah, we tried na makabalik dito at ma-miss namin yung traffic, which is really good. From there, sa kinainan namin kanina, pauwi dito, it was only like 1 hour and 4 minutes. Pero papunta namin doon, 1 hour and 40 minutes dahil sa traffic kanina. So, 110 kilometers per hour, yung takbo kanina 20. Parang nagkamang guys. And then, what do you think of that Filipino restaurant?
Best than Queensland.
Yeah?
Yes.
Better than, which one did you say before? The one in South Port. The Cubos.
Kubos. This one's better. But they've got like air conditioning and their customer service is pretty crap, but the food is good.
Yeah, they didn't come and say like, oh, everything's good or not.
Yeah, like she had about the personality of a brick wall.
Yeah. They're Bisaya.
That's why. Checking.
But yeah. Oh, that's a short mom. It's not that's a whole yeah, it's a whole
I don't have to get to eat because they're growing.
No, Celine is fine. She just had Didi.
You tell Paris.
It's Paris. Paris yun eh.
Come choose one.
Boy, bantay kag no ka karon. Paspas kay ka muna ha. What you doing? What you doing?
Paris, come here.
Open?
Lini, you want corn?
Oy! No! Ow! You're a zombie. You're a zombie. You go away. Uy. Kuha. Awal lagi. You okay? Up.